Hello students, today we will learn about the morphological and anatomical characteristics of Chara. Is the bottle specimen of Chara, specimen of Chara for microscopic study. Now I will explain the preparation of slide, temporary slide for laboratory study. Place a drop of fluid in the center of the slide. Position sample on liquid using tweezers. Add a drop of safranin. Safranin is a biological stain used in histology. At an angle, place one side of the cover slip against the slide, making contact with outer edge of the liquid drop. Lower the cover slowly, avoiding air bubbles. Remove excess water with the paper towel. The telestructure of Chara is macroscopic, branched and multicellular. It shows deposition of calcium carbonate all over. Multicellular rhizoids are branched. Main axis is composed of long internodes, alternately with small nodes. Long internode is composed of a single cell, overlapped by many corticated threads. It bears two types of branches, lateral branches of limited growth and lateral branches of unlimited growth. Lateral branches of limited growth are borne in holes around the nodes of the main axis. From the nodes of the short laterals, secondary short laterals are produced, which are usually small, unicellular, and are variously termed as stipules or leaves. Reproductive organ of Chara. The male sex organ is called as globule and the female reproductive organ is called as nucleus. Both the sex organs are borne at one point on the nodes of short laterals which bear stipules. Male sex organ, which is termed as globule, is a small, spherical and conspicuously red or yellow structure attached to the body by a long stalk cell. Outermost wall of the globule or globule is ornamented, composed of 8 large curved and plate-like cells, which is also termed as shield cells. Each shield cell is attached to a handle or a rod-shaped cell manubrium. At the tip of each manubrium are two groups of 6 cells. The group directly in contact with the manubrium is primary capitulum, while the next is secondary capitulum. Each of the cells is an antheridium and produces a single biflagellate male gamete. Nucle or nuclei is oval in shape and it is the female sex organ and is situated above the globule of the node. It is enveloped by spirally coiled cells, tube cell. At the apex of the nucle is a corona of 5 small cells arranged in one tier and attached at the point. Oosphere is single, where a nucleus lies surrounded by the cytoplasm. It is rich in food reserves, which are in the form of starch and oil. After fertilization, the nuclei or nucle gets modified into a zygote or oospore. The coronal cell at the top of the oospore appear separated.